Start off with a glow-based skin primer and apply it all over your face. Then use a stick foundation to contour the perimeters of your face like so. And this is too warm for my skin, but it works. It bronzes and it's shaped, so it's alright. For concealer, apply underneath your dark circles and onto the bridge of the nose and blemishes you wanted to cover. And I'm just going to blend everything with Real Techniques' beauty sponge. And I'm sorry for the blurry focus. I don't know what my camera crew was doing, but you guys know who you are. Jokes, I love y'all. For the foundation, I'm using a glowy finish and I'm using the same sponge to apply onto the widest spots of my face like so. And I'm using another concealer that has a peach undertone to highlight the parts of my face that I want to stand out more like so. Then use a loose translucent powder to set the face lightly. Then contour the nose with a cool toned powder. For the blush, I'm using a cream blush with a pearlescent finish and I'm using my fingers to apply it onto the apples of my cheeks. I'm also using a cream highlighter to highlight the highest points of my face. So that will be my cheeks, my nose, Cupid's bow, and chin. For the brows, draw how you would naturally draw them like so, even though as you can see I'm just following the natural shape of my eyebrows and just dragging it out to add more length. Then apply a brow mascara to keep the brows in place. Onto the eyes, apply a muted reddish brown eyeshadow all over the crease like so. Using a flat shader brush, apply a warm medium dark brown onto the outer V and the inner parts of your lids like so. And use a synthetic brush to apply a pink duochrome with gold reflex on the middle of the lids. For the lower lash line, apply the same eyeshadow used on the crease and connect it to the top eyeshadow like so. On a more precise brush, apply the dark brown eyeshadow on the outer corners of the lash line. Then apply the duochrome eyeshadow on the aiguille. For the inner corners, apply a pink liquid glitter pigment to highlight like so. Ooh, so sparkly. Tightline your eyes using a brown liner, then draw a thin wing eyeliner to frame the eyes like so. For the lashes, curl the top and bottom eyelashes first. Then apply falsies if desired. Then use a black mascara to blend your real lashes and the fake ones, although mine didn't want to cooperate, but you know, it be like that sometimes. It just doesn't wanna. Then for the lips, apply a nude lipstick all over the lips. Add a lip gloss with micro glitters on top for that extra pop. Last but definitely not the least, draw a line on your cheek and on the brow bone using a white eyeliner for that extra effect, and you're done.